Hey, and welcome back to our 5-part series on using ChatGPT as a student. My name is Emily with the AI Teaching Network by T-Potter Instructional Design. And this is video 2, talking about ways you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm. Let's get into it. So this might look like using it to jumpstart your creative thinking process. Maybe you need to get over writer's block or generate some topics for an essay. On the next slide, you'll get to watch a quick video of me asking ChatGPT to provide a list of current social issues in the United States. And I'm asking as if this were my next essay topic. So we've entered our request, and now ChatGPT is generating a list. It's going to give us about 15 topics regarding social issues in the US. And what's really cool about this is it's providing enough information for you to kind of take it and run with it, modify it, and mold it to fit your assignment, but you're not asking ChatGPT to do the work for you. So if you didn't notice that before it generated the list, it did let us know that this information is dated as of September 2021, and this comes back to fact-checking everything. And this is why it's a great tool to give you ideas, but you don't want it to do the work for you. Next, we can talk about using it for research and essay support. You can ask ChatGPT to create outlines to support topics and help you with the organization and flow of your essays. For example, you can ask it to help you develop an outline for an argumentative essay over education reform. And on the next slide, you can see an example of that. So it did produce a pretty decent outline, but you definitely need to go back in and check and make sure that it's not repeating anything or asking you to go into something that is outside of the scope of your assignment. But it can really help you develop those ideas and maybe give you an idea of how to organize your essay. Again, everything needs to be double or even triple checked, but this can get you going and kind of get the ball rolling. Next, we're going to talk about recognizing the limitations of ChatGPT. As a language model and not a human, it does lack real-world understanding, common sense reasoning, and it has a propensity to produce biased responses. Because of this, just cross-verify any information with a reliable academic resource that is approved within your university. ChatGPT has generated plausible but factually incorrect responses. For example, it may give you an entire story on how deep the ocean is and what the deepest point a human has ever explored is, but then when you go and cross-verify that information, you find out it's totally inaccurate or made up. So not to sound like a broken record, but again, this is why you need to cross-verify that anything that you get from ChatGPT is accurate, correct, and up to date. And that is all for video 2. Check out video 3 for more.